What's up, everybody? Cadillac-LOS here. We're getting ready to start working on my personal car, my 83 Coupe DeVille. We are going to be bagging this one. We got our AirRide system from BC Fabrications. We got SS Slam Specialties, Viair, AccuAir, AVS. So all around we got a clean system to go into this vehicle. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channels, to all our social medias. That way we can continue to make more videos like this. Obviously we like making Cadillac videos, so make sure you guys check them out. Make sure you guys subscribe to them. That way we can continue to do this. So yeah, just follow along, and I'll show you guys what we got going on. We raced it up, took the wheels already out of it. We're gonna start cutting the front suspension, and just follow along. Cool. First thing I do is just pop these tires out. So what we're gonna be doing here, essentially what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna take the ball joint out, drop this whole spindle down. We're gonna go ahead and take off the spring, the shock and the spring, get all that out. Then we're gonna trim this back a little bit after we pull this down, and then we should be able to put that bag back in. You know, obviously we'll clean some of this stuff up. If we got to replace the ball joints, tie rods, whatever needs to be replaced at that point, we will. But yeah, we'll just swap out all the tires now, or take them off and start the process. Alright, all we're going to do right now is just take the caliper off and hang it up. That way we can start working on the ball joints. Pop this out. Hang this up out of the way. Right, that's brand new. So I'm gonna just tie this out of the way for now. Come on. So we got the ball joint coming out. We got the sway bar link coming out, and then it should drop after you do that. If not, you're gonna have to just take off some more parts, but we'll get to that soon. Now that the ball joint's off, sway bar link is off, your knuckle should be all the way down, pretty much like that. You still need to get that shock out of there. The shock is holding this still in place, so I'm gonna lift this up, undo the top and the bottom of the shock. It should come right out, and then realistically it's just your spring. There's 2 bolts down here to take off the shock. Take those 2 out, the shock will start to move, so you gotta take the top bolt off. got the springs out. We ended up using the plasma cutter on it. Took the shocks out. We just gotta clean all this up now. The ball joint's gotta get replaced. Here's where the bag is going. Well, there you guys go. And then this has to be cut right here, about right there. So we'll look into that here shortly, and we'll go from there. But I'm not gonna bore you guys. I gotta do the other side, so I'll check back with you guys whenever I get done with that. The back end, all we gotta do is cut out the spring, and there is a hole right there. We're gonna drill that all the way up. Well, right now the only thing we gotta do is cut the spring out, and we'll probably keep the bump stop. But there you go. That'll be the back end. That's it. Now we get ready to start getting everything cleaned up, ready for bags. That's tomorrow's job, so check out part number 2. What's up, everybody? So today we got the back suspension done, springs are out, ready for bags. The plasma cutter was on point. We got the front suspension completely taken out. Tomorrow we are going to be cutting into the frame so the backs can fit perfectly. Everything's done all the way around. We just have to get a good day tomorrow, and we can get most of this done. If everything works out good, this should be back in the road in a couple of days. So deuces, check out our raffles. We got one going on right now. There's only 20 some tickets left, spots left. So yeah, make sure you guys check it out.